Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram if it keeps crashing. If your Telegram app keeps crashing on your iPhone, here are 3 things you can do to fix it. The first thing you can do is check if there's a problem with the Telegram app. To do that, open your browser and search for Telegram Down and click on the link for the Down Detector website. Check if there's a sudden spike in the app's analytics. If there's no sudden spike, that means the app is working perfectly. The second thing you can do is update the app. In some cases, if you're using an old version of the app, it might start misbehaving until you update it to the latest version. Just search for Telegram, update it, and this might fix the crashing issue on your iPhone. The third thing you can do is clear the app cache and data. Sometimes a bug in your Telegram app will cause it to not work properly. Clearing the app cache and data can fix this. To do that, open your settings, scroll down until you see General, click on iPhone Storage, and look for the Telegram app. If you don't see it, use the search function to find Telegram. Once you find the app, offload it. Offloading an app on your iPhone keeps the documents and data but deletes the app. Then, re-download the app. This should fix the issue of Telegram crashing on your iPhone. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.